This question, they say, suppose I have C and it is the curve of intersection of the parabolic cylinder x squared equals 2y with the surface 3z equals xy. We're going to find the length of the curve from the origin, which is 0, 0, 0, to the point 5, comma, 25 halves, comma, 125 over 6. So the first thing I have to do is I have to parameterize this curve. How am I going to do that? Well, let's let x equal t. Now, if x is equal to t, that means that t squared would be equal to 2y. And if I solve for y, dividing both sides by 2, I'm getting y equals t squared over 2. Then I'm going to have to find z. Well, I know that 3z is equal to x times y. So